It's recording now.
Yep, it is. That red and white and blue is a bilge pump. Is that correct?
Yep. We have a bilge pump that runs off a 12 volt that we bought. We set up, I used a cooler to put water in. This is the end of the hose that we took apart. We took the PEX pipe, stuck it in the plastic hose. We turn the pump on. You can turn the pump on. And if you watch, pumps water down into the hose, into the plastic, and then the water comes back up, and we just kept pushing and pushing and pushing, and we thawed 30 feet of ice that was in this plastic pipe frozen from our well up underneath our house.
Woohoo!
And I set this up with an on-off switch, just so I could control it. Wire nutted it together. Hooked it to our battery.
And folks, we learned something about batteries tonight. In case you didn't know, we did know, but in our haste, we had a battery explode on us tonight. It was a bit terrifying. So make sure you keep your batteries covered.
This time when I did it,
vented.
I put a milk crate on and then covered the milk crate so nothing would happen. And there you have it. We used lukewarm to warm water. Cold water works, but not as fast. And it's the way to thaw your pipes.
And we will get back to you and tell you if we had complete success. Over and out.